but they are not. That's just it. The black people's standard for doing well, in fact, the standard for doing well of all of the people, including the white people who claim that, hey, we have a just society. We don't have a just society anywhere on this planet. Justice doesn't exist anywhere on this planet. That is a bald-faced lie. Justice does not exist. People are being mistreated even as we speak everywhere.
So you're saying
in a justice system, you don't have people being mistreated. No such thing as a successful black person on this planet. Now, how about that?
Well, what does that mean?
What that means is you cannot be successful in a system of white supremacy. That's an absolute contradiction. That's a total contradiction. It's impossible to be a successful black person walking anywhere on this planet in the system of white supremacy. The very fact that you're in the system of white supremacy means you're not successful. You have to get rid of the system of white supremacy in order to just clear the deck to get ready to be successful. See, our standard for success is too low. What we call success maybe is having a nice job, quote, whatever that means, and a nice house maybe, whatever that means, and a car, whatever that means. But look at the interaction between people on this planet. Look at what we call the culture of the people on this planet in the system of white supremacy. It's rotten to the core. And really, what I'm saying is not phenomenal, because every preacher says this, really, in their own different way. The Christian ministers in particular, and ministers or leaders of other religions, Islam and whatnot, say what? Basically, every Sunday or whatever holy day they have, they say the world is in a mess. And the reason it's in a mess is because something called the system of white supremacy. But it's not said like that
right
in most churches, most mosques,
they say
most synagogues. They don't say that that's the main problem on the planet. But as long as we have this, everything is going to be a mess, including the sexual stuff. It's just going to keep getting worse.